Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your liftgate trim on a 2011 Honda Odyssey. To start off, we're going to remove this handle that has the liftgate control button in it. And for this, you're going to need a set of plastic pry tools. You could get by with using a flathead screwdriver, but the issue is when you go to pry down on this piece, it's going to scratch up your trim and also your handle here. So you're going to want to take a skinny plastic pry tool. You can get sets of these off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below where you can get these. And right here on the end, you can actually see where it's been taken off before and they used something sharp. And you can see where they messed up the plastic a little bit. But there's 3 spots we got to hit. And we got to pry down on. And starting here on the end, I'm prying down right there. And then right here in the middle, about in line with that, pry down. And sometimes it'll pop off, and sometimes you got to hit a 3rd spot. And the 3rd spot is right above the button here. And this is what we're prying down on, is those tabs. And that tab on the end is a little different, so it pops out a little bit easier. But once you have it out, you just want to unplug it by pushing on this tab and pulling out on it. The next thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to remove this trim here in the front and also these side trim pieces, because this trim overlaps this trim, which overlaps the main backing trim that we're trying to get off. So grab hold of this trim and just get your hands in underneath it and just roll the trim off. And then for this piece, just pull out on it and roll it up when you get here to the end. And same with this piece. And then just grab a hold of the end of the trim here and pull down on both sides. And then once it's loose, like this, just pull back on it. And it pops it right off. And back here you have all the wires and the bolts and nuts to get to everything on the liftgate. And before you go to put the trim back on, you want to make sure that none of these clips stayed in the actual liftgate itself, because you're going to need to pry those out and put them back on the trim before you go to put them back on. And if you did break any, you can get replacement clips on Amazon also, and I'll also link to those in the description. But hey, that's it guys. That's how you take the trim off on a 2011 Honda Odyssey. Thanks for watching.